What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to another video. Share this world. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? Right, yeah, hit the like button, comment something nice and comment section down below. Yeah. And let's just straight into this video. I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a very simple and easy intro with only 3 free apps. So let's get straight into this video. The 3 apps that you're going to need for this is Pixar, Fonto, and CapCut or CapeCut, however you say it. It's going to be on the screen as well, so let's get straight into this video. So now we're about to go to Google and look up any background that you want to use for your intro. I'm looking up like this pink brick type of look background. And then you're just going to download it to your photos and crop it to 16:9 for your intro. So now we're going to go to Pixar, delete anything that you already have up on Pixar. We're going to go to the add, all the way down to the bottom and color background, which is the plain background. We're just going to save it, but you have to like put some type of text on it to save it. So I just put a word on there and put it in the black background and saved it to my camera roll. And now we're going to go to photo, use that background that we just saved, and we're going to add our name, our YouTube channel name on there. Okay, to download fonts, you go to thefont.com and look up any fonts that you want to. They have like over 100 fonts. So I picked like some type of font that's called Baby Blue, I think, or some Baby Child. That's what I picked. So that's what I'm going to be using in this video. So now that we have the font downloaded, we're going to add text and put our YouTube name on there or whatever you want to put on there. Shayla's World is mine. And we're just going to put it on there and save it as a PNG. You want to make sure you save it as a PNG so it can have that transparent background. This part is optional, but I'm going to add my social medias. I'm just going to say add my socials as a title and save it as PNG as well. So I'm going to my Instagram and TikTok and screenshotting my profile picture with my name and stuff on it and cropping it out to my liking and saving it to my photos. Do the same for TikTok and all your other social medias. Now we're about to go to CapCut, press the add, and go press the background that you have chosen. And we're about to start working on this intro. So we're going to add the channel name that we have chosen with the transparent background that we made on Fonto, and you're going to set it up to your liking. Now we're going to fix it to our liking and stuff like that. Now we're going to add my socials part to the second part of this like little clip for the intro, and we're trying to get it straight because like it keeps when it going the transition. I can see both words and I don't like that. So I'm trying to get that right, and I like it to be perfect, so I like it to be in the middle, so to your liking. So now you're going to add the subscribe button. I did not show myself doing this, but I looked it up on Google, or you can do YouTube. Now we're going to go to the chroma key on the slide, and we're just going to get out the green part of it because you don't want that. And I just made it bigger. I don't think that it went, but it looks okay. Just making sure that it like everything goes perfectly on the slides. Don't nothing collide together. So I'm just gonna go and do that. So right here I split the sections of where each transition I want to add because I want to be perfect. And now I'm about to add my pictures for my Instagram and TikTok and add the titles for that. I'm trying to get it cropped right because I keep seeing the picture come on the first slide and at the second slide, and I want it to come right there where it's supposed to come. I have to add my social smaller because I need to fit everything on that one little clip right there. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to add TikTok right now. I'm going to size it down just a little bit, and then add Instagram and TikTok username. I like my stuff to be like exactly right. So my words are a little bit off and the pictures and stuff aren't coming in like I want them to. So that's why I keep working on this little section right here. But keep watching the video so y'all learn how to make an intro. This is very simple. I learned how to make an intro from watching a few other people on YouTube make their intros, and I just tried to put their tips and stuff into one video. So now I'm about to add transitions. The first transition, I go to MG animations and I pick white ink. I end up going with white ink. And for the second transition, I go to MG and pick the curling wave. That's what I ended up going with. But as y'all can see, I'm looking through other ones just to see if I like them. Now I'm going to add audio that I screen recorded from YouTube, and I want to crop it to like where the music starts and where it ends at how I want it. And then I'm going to add it to the intro and line it up with like the transitions of the song. So right here I had to make the beginning where it says my name at a little longer so it can equal up with the video with the song's transition. So that's all I did, and I made the ending just a little longer as well. But the video was only like 3 seconds long, and that's not bad for an intro. So this is the final project. Tag me on Instagram if you create another intro, because I want to see what y'all come up with.